Hey gang, so for math today, it is Thursday the 23rd. I just wanted to explain a little bit something. So in your schedule, these are the videos that will check those pages. So if you have any questions, let me know. You're going to be watching this video right now, so I will have that link here. But for your assignment today, it's kind of a quiz on two things really. So unit pricing, this is a worksheet where you have to figure out the unit prices. This is another worksheet and it's in our Falk e-learning classwork on comparing prices. So you have to find the unit prices and then compare to see which is the best deal. And then I have a Kahoot here for you on comparing and ordering decimals. That is part of Unit 12 as well. So this is kind of a quiz today just to see where you're all at with these skills. So if you have any questions, please let me know.